OCLP Plus has just released a new version, and honestly, it feels like it came out of nowhere. As soon as you open it, one thing immediately stands out: Tahoe Patch Set. And when you scroll down, you're greeted with some very clean and eye-catching screenshots. In those images, something quite interesting appears. Even major issues like Wi-Fi seem to be working. So what happens? A new user, or even an average user, sees this and instantly comes to one conclusion: macOS Tahoe is now fully supported on unsupported Macs. And to be fair, that assumption actually makes sense. Because in those screenshots, the interface looks polished, the patches appear to be applied, and everything looks very similar to OpenCore 3.0.0. Visually, it gives the impression that everything has been fixed. It feels like this is simply a newer version, with full Tahoe support added. But here's the reality. What you see in those screenshots is not the full picture. Just because Wi-Fi appears to be working, the UI looks complete, patch options are visible, that does not mean it will actually work properly on your Mac. And that's exactly why I make these videos, to test these updates myself on unsupported Macs. So you don't risk your system, your time, or your effort. Now let's talk about the real situation. This version is mainly designed for Hackintosh systems. Yes, it may work on some legacy Macs. But for most unsupported or older Macs, it still doesn't work properly. I personally tested it on multiple systems. And major issues like Wi-Fi, GPU acceleration, are still exactly the same. However, if you have a decent Hackintosh, this update can actually be very useful for you. Also, this new version introduces 3 new features. That's it for now. If you wanted to know the truth about this update, I hope this helped. Thank you all for your support, and thanks for watching.